Today, good people, I'm back downtown and I'm on my way to the Perot Museum of Science and Natural History, and I'll try and show you one or two things from there if I can. So here I am at the museum. I have arrived too early, as I always do. Everywhere I go I always arrive too early. That's just in my nature, something that I like to do. And I have my little bag here with a book inside, and what I will do is I will go and find a little spot in the shade, maybe here in the frog garden, and I will read a little while before the place opens, and then I will try to show you a little bit of what's inside if possible. And this is one of my favorite parts of the museum, is right here at the entrance, just after the entrance, because you go up and unfortunately there are a lot of people in front of me, but at the top is a dinosaur, but also you have the view of the Dallas skyline from here. And as you can see here at the top of the stairs, awaiting you is the dinosaur, which is great, T-Rex. Well, the time has definitely come, folks, to get a beer. I'm absolutely dying of thirst. It is very warm today, as it is most days in Dallas, and I am heading currently towards a bar in downtown, Frankie's.